Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about how to fix call failed on an iPhone. So, you open the phone app, key in the phone number to dial out but find the iPhone call failed immediately. You attempt to make a call again and again but it keeps saying call failed message. It's frustrating, especially when you're in a rush to contact someone important. If you have no idea what it is and why this iPhone call failed error pops up, we'll get you covered. We'll also discuss how to solve this problem to get the conversation back. Let's start. What does it mean when you call someone and it keeps failing? When a call fails as soon as you dial, it means your phone and the recipient's phone can't establish the connection. The call will drop instantly without being picked up and your iPhone will show you a call failed message on the screen along with cancel and call back option. Why does your iPhone keep saying call failed? Understanding the root cause is vital. Let's explore the common reasons why you're getting a call failed message each time you try to dial out. Weak cellular signal or coverage, unknown software bugs, overloaded app cache or outdated OS, the damaged, dirty, or improperly inserted SIM card, misconfigured call settings, blocked numbers or airplane mode settings can cause a call to fail. Unpaid phone bill, disabled phone account or expired cellular service plan. The cell tower is overloaded or has heavy traffic. Malfunctioning hardware components. Now, go through some workable solutions of how to fix iPhone call failed. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Make sure your area has strong mobile signals. Before anything else, try dialing the same number again to rule out it's not a one-off problem. If your iPhone calls keep failing again, then check if your location has a strong network signal. The iPhone signal bars on the top right corner is a good indicator of the actual mobile signal strength. You can also call for the carrier company and ask them for help in checking the signal strength in dBm and status of your cellular service plan. 2. Close the phone app then reopen. You could be experiencing constant failed calls on an iPhone if the phone app crashes and fails to respond. To solve this, just force quit the app to restore functionality to make a call. Here's what you need to do. Open the app switcher. Swipe right or left to find the phone app. Then, swipe up the phone app to quit. Wait for a few seconds. Open the phone app again from the home screen and make a call. 3. See if your iPhone is in airplane mode. The airplane mode is commonly used to cut down all wireless communications. This means it'll disable the ability to make or receive calls. If you've turned airplane mode, it's no wonder that you get the call failed every time you dial. Just follow these steps to take a look. Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner or swipe up from the bottom. If the airplane mode is enabled, tap to disable the mode. If it's off, tap it to turn it on for 10 to 15 seconds then tap it again to toggle it off. This helps refresh the cell tower connection to re-establish phone signals. Once done, test if it helps stop call failed message on iPhone. 4. Let iPhone turn off then back on. Restarting your iPhone is often the easiest way to clear up temporary system bugs and cache if they are the reasons why all your calls are failing. To turn off your phone, hold both volume up and power buttons on iPhone 10 or newer, or press the power button on iPhone 8 or older. When invited to slide power off, release buttons and move the slider to the right. After around 1 minute, long press the power button until an Apple logo appears. Once the lock screen pops up, enter the passcode to unlock. Make a call again and see if the call failed message is fixed on your iPhone. 5. Review blocked numbers list. Your iPhone has a blocked contacts feature helping you avoid spam or harassing calls. If the number you failed to call is there, the call will get cut down on its own before anyone picks up the call. To check this thing, navigate to the Settings app. Choose Apps if needed, then find and tap Phone. Scroll down a little bit and choose the option named Blocked Contacts. You can see a list of phone numbers blocked on your iPhone. If you find the number you called out but the call failed, just tap Edit at the top right corner. Then, tap the red minus icon next to the number to remove it from the list. After unblocking the number, try making a call to it again and it should get through now. 6. Keep your phone running the latest iOS. Many apps including the phone app require the latest OS versions for ideal performance. If your phone's software is outdated, it could slow processing speeds and lead to call failures. Just install the latest iOS on your iPhone, which keeps showing a call failed message to see if the problem is handled. Make your iPhone connected to a Wi-Fi network and plugged into power. Then, from your iPhone's home screen, navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update from the top of the menu. If an iOS update is available, tap Download and install. Before the update starts, it'll ask you to accept the legal agreements. The upgrade process could take up a few minutes, so wait patiently. Once done, make a call to see if you managed to call out after the phone reboots. 7. Take your SIM card out, then reinsert it. A SIM card allows your iPhone to connect to the mobile network so that you can call, text, and use the data service. If it's inserted wrongly, cracked, or dirty, the phone will lose the access to the network and you'll see the call failed message show up after dialing. To inspect the SIM card, prepare a SIM ejector tool that came in the box with your iPhone. Switch off your iPhone with buttons and remove the phone case if any. Insert the tool into the tiny pinhole next to the card tray and push it. Slide out the tray and take out the SIM card to see if it's in good condition. If it's damaged, change another one. If it's good, after 1 minute, put the SIM card back to re-access the carrier's network. Make an outgoing call and the call failed message should no longer appear. 8. Keep the carrier settings up to date. Carrier settings are another key to connecting your iPhone to the mobile network so that you can use data services. Keeping them updated is essential for good call experience, which may also help fix call failed error on an iPhone. There is no official notification, but you can quickly check it out via the iPhone's Settings app. From your phone's home screen, navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General. Tap on About. If an update for the carrier settings is available, it'll send you an alert with an option to update. Just choose to update and complete the following instructions. If nothing pops up but the basic information of the phone, it means no update and you can just move on to attempt other methods. 9. Return iPhone network settings to original state. Try this if outgoing calls still fail on iPhone. All network settings, including the cellular network, will be reset to the original status. Here's how to do that. On your iPhone, navigate to the Settings app from the home screen. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset. Then in the opening menu, tap on Reset Network Settings. See if you manage to get back to your conversation after the reset. 10. Connect with the support team. If none of the solutions above work, try to reach out to the official support. You can get in touch with a cellular service provider to check if there are any network issues or restrictions on your account. If you suspect iPhone calls continue to fail because of the problematic hardware components, then send your phone to the manufacturer or a local repair store for servicing. And there you have it, folks. Hope the solutions in this video help fix the call failed message on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting your iPhone back in working condition. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.